Hello and welcome to another Starmen surprise show. I'm Devin. With me is Billy.
Woo!
And I guess we're unboxing an All Elite Crate from A&E or AEW.
AEW.
Yeah. Sorry, there's so many companies that have AEW or those letters.
Yeah, like AEW, A&E.
Yeah, just can't keep track.
I know. So yeah, this is the second box that they put out.
Okay.
So.
And if you're wondering, this is a wrestling company.
Yeah.
For the uneducated, like myself.
Let's see here.
Do I have to pause the recording so we can get someone to cut this? We'll be right back. Professionalism.
Alright.
So, Bill, you know more about this than I did. This is off your budget, not mine.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is now like a subscription box for, I think it's 4 times a year, and it's like, and you get 9 different items in it, 2 t-shirts and 7 other items.
Oh, cool.
So.
Do you have any idea what it is, or is it just going to be a random assortment?
Random things, so.
Okay. Okay. So that's everything you just got in this box.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Listen, a reminder that AEW Revolution is our membership.
Yep. Promote the promotion.
Yeah. This one looks like we got a Team Taz FTW
sticker. Nice.
So,
can I just see that for a sec? I like to check quality on these things.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of a flimsy sticker. It would do for...
Oh, yeah. Alright, first t-shirt. This is...
Let you unfold it there.
Metal Guy Black t-shirt.
Nice. I actually kind of like that.
Yeah.
Oh, light material.
Oh, yeah,
I love it. And this... Yeah, it's not thick at all. Sometimes those come in very thick and they're really uncomfortable because of that.
Yeah.
But no, that's a good quality t-shirt in my mind.
Yeah, no. Alright. Second t-shirts. And I figured that out. Jungle Boy.
Nice. And again, same. A little thicker on that one with the printing, but I understand why. That's a huge image.
Yeah.
But same quality of t-shirt.
Oh, yeah, no.
That's not going to rip easy.
No.
But it's also not heavy feeling.
No, these, they're always pretty good shirts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Air freshener.
Yeah, an air freshener. You need those.
Yeah,
you don't have a car, let alone one that references an air freshener.
Good one.
Just hang it around your neck, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
Just at the gym, I don't need deodorant, I got this.
So we got...
Socks?
Yeah, socks.
Super Kick socks.
Yeah. So... Okay, so the Young Bucks. I was thinking, what the...
Okay. Yeah. I mean, you might have to take them out, but...
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And... Yeah, those will keep your feet warm.
Yeah.
And they got the grips on the bottom. Nice.
Oh.
Classy.
Nice.
Mind you, you have carpeted floors, so that's not really an issue.
No. Oh, we got an Apple Rose Micro Brawler.
Nice. You have a collection of these anyway. So.
Yeah, so I'm starting to get them, so...
Get more close up on that. There we go. He looks like he's from the Foot Clan, but he has a handprint, so it's from the Hand Clan.
Yeah, well, her.
Her. It's hard to tell from that, okay?
Yeah, that's fair, that's fair.
Ooh, nice pin.
Yeah, pin. Now, I can up. Why don't we think which logo that is, which is sad. Let me refer to the paper.
We'll be right back. So what is it? Cody Rhodes?
Yeah, Cody Rhodes American Nightmare lapel pin.
Nice.
So, like I thought it was for Cody, but
Had to be sure.
yeah. And we got a big money money clip.
Nice. Who carries money around that warrants a money clip?
I did it once.
Yeah. Once.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
No. Did it once for WrestleCon with the $1 Million Man money clip.
Yeah.
Which... I'm gonna... Poster here. Let's see which one.
Okay. Promotional posters.
Yeah.
And again, that's a nice thick poster, so that's... Or your standard poster, actually.
Yeah.
It's not thick, but it...
Yeah, it's a standard one.
It's going to last for a while, but it's not going to
Yeah.
be permanent.
No. And so there you go. And the last item is the autograph.
Oh, yeah.
Autograph of Anna Jay.
Nice. That's on photo stock as usual. I'm not going to really touch
No.
this because it's a photo, not a poster. But, yep, standard poster stock. Nice signature.
Yeah.
Logo. Yeah, no. Post that up or frame it.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, go in my binder with all my other 8x10s.
Or put it in a binder. Yeah, I know you have a scrap binder for
Yeah.
all those.
Oh, yeah.
So how much did you pay for all this?
Alright, this is about $82.
$82 for 2 t-shirts, autograph photo, poster,
Yeah.
pin, figure,
Yeah.
socks.
Yeah.
I'd say good deal.
Oh, yeah. Like when I was looking at it, it was like
T-shirts alone would have been $25 each.
Yeah. 25, 30.
Yeah, so.
So, yeah, no, it's pretty... And, like I said, it's 4 times a year, so...
Yep. Is it $88 each time?
Yeah, $82 each time. Or you can pay for a full year, but it's...
Yeah. Discount it like full
Yeah.
year. Alright. Any final thoughts, Billy, on this?
No, second crate, and so far, still not disappointed.
No, I'm not a fan of the wrestling, but even then, like, if I got a loot crate of this caliber, I don't think I'd be upset with anything.
No, because this one, what sold this on me, because when it says you get 2 t-shirts, I'm like, okay, yeah, it's just...
Yeah, normally you only get the one.
Yeah.
But with that, though, that'll be our surprise show. Thank you all for watching. I'm Devin.
Dig it.